Hi guys, this side CMA Vipul Shah. Many times we observe this situation where other people are able to achieve their financial goal peacefully. But this is not happening with me. So what need to be done? So you need to think of F&O as an investment option. Today I'll share 4 important reasons to invest in F&O. Reason number 1, greater leverage. So what is meaning of leverage? Let's say if you want to invest in shares and total amount is 5 lakh rupees for n number of shares with minimum money which is called as a margin money, let's say 50,000, you can book entire lot of 5 lakh rupees. So you'll get profit loss on 5 lakh, but your investment is only 50,000. So your entire amount will not be blocked. That is the biggest advantage. Second, more diversification. You can diversify your portfolio based on different sector. So even if one sector is not doing well, that loss will be compensated by another sector. Third, better liquidity. You can take entry and exit as per your requirement. There is no restriction. So that gives you more liquidity. And last, it provides wider opportunity. You can invest in commodities, foreign exchange, bonds and stock. So a lot of options are available. So these are the main reason why you should invest in F&O. So I hope you like the reel. Please save the reel and please don't forget to follow my channel for more tax updates. Thank you so much.